Yes, students. Exercise 3.5. What is the question number 1? In how many different ways can 8 friends sit around a table? Sit around a table means it is a circular permutation. Yes. If n things are there, they can be arranged in a circular, then it can be done in n minus 1 factorial ways. Therefore, 8 friends can be done in 8 minus 1, that is 7 factorial. Question number 1, right? N things can be arranged in a circle in n minus 1 factorial ways. Therefore, 8 friends can be arranged around a table in 8 minus 1 factorial ways, that is equal to 7 factorial. Understood? This is the answer for question number 1. Now question number 2 we will discuss. What is question number 2? A party has 20 participants. Okay. Find the number of distinct ways for the host to sit with them around a circular table. Right. यहाँ तक कंप्लीट करेंगे पहले. A party has 20 participants and one more host is there. Right. तो हमको क्या करेंगे? हमको क्या करना है? Sit with them around a circular table. Now, total how many persons are there? 20 participants plus 1 host. Altogether 21 हुआ है. Therefore, around a circular table means 21 minus 1, 20 factorial ways में arrange करेंगे. Right? That is the answer for first question. First question completed. Now, what is the second part? How many of these ways have 2 specified persons on either side of the host? Right? ये करेंगे हम. 20 participants plus 1 host. Altogether 21 persons has to be arranged in a circular table. Therefore, number of ways to arrange in a circle is 21 minus 1 factorial, which is equal to 20 factorial. 20 factorial value find out करना लेंदी है, so let it be 20 factorial only. So this is the answer for first question. Now what is the second bit they asked? 2 specified persons always on either side of the host. That is 2 specified persons on either side of the host. Now suppose this is a circle, right? मैंने इधर होस्ट को फिक्स कर दिया है मैंने, right? So what is the condition? 2 specified persons always on either side of the host. Suppose this is A, this is B, or this is host, this is the position for the 2 persons, and this is B, this is A, right? Therefore, for the 2 specified persons, we can arrange in 2 ways, either AB or BA, right? Now, 20 participants में already ये circular arrangement हो गया है, तो remaining 18, now it is not a circular positions, right? Even though it is a circle, already हमको fixed point मिल गया है host, right? Now, AB also we arranged in 2 ways. So the remaining 18% can be arranged in how many ways? 18 factorial ways, right? ऑलरेडी हमने सर्कल के लिए एक फिक्स्ड पॉइंट फाइंड आउट कर दिया है, therefore no need of again 18 minus 1 is not required. समझ में आया पॉइंट? yes. therefore total number of arrangements is equal to two specified persons on either side of the host can be done in 2 factorial ways, and the remaining 20% are there. In the 20% a b को हमने निकाल दिया है 2%, therefore 18 are there, therefore that 18 can be done in 18 factorial ways, right? why? because already ये circular position है, here positions भी fix कर दिया है हमने, starting point मिल गया है, therefore again 18 minus 1 नहीं करने का. समझ में आया पॉइंट? yes. very good. this is the question number 2. question number 3. Delegates from 24 countries participate in a round table discussion. Find the number of seating arrangements where two specified delegates are always together, never together, right? So here only two questions are there. 24 participants are there, right? 24 delegates are there. We have to arrange two specified delegates always together, never together. 24 delegates, right? Are there, right? What is the question number 1? Always together, two participants always together, right? So circular arrangement only. So I am taking these two participants as AB as one unit. Total 24 are there. Now AB we are considering as one unit. तो remaining कितने होगा? yes, 24 minus 2% हमने निकाल दिया है तो 22 हो जाएगा. But AB we are taking as one unit, therefore other 22 delegates are there, right? 24 minus 2, 22, and this one as 1. So 2, 3, 4 up to 23, right? Total together 24 delegates. So can be arranged around a table, right? Around a table in 23 minus 1 factorial, right? And the two particular delegates जो भी हैं वो अपने आप में how many ways में arrange कर सकते हैं हम? yes, 2 factorial ways, which is equal to 22 factorial into 2 factorial. समझ में आया? yes. हाँ. Now what is the question number 2 here? Never together. So this is also same as linear permutation. Linear permutation is nothing but up to 3.4 we did linear permutations only, like it is arrangement in a line. But here the difference is only circular. सर्कुलर होना चाहिए मीन्स एक पॉइंट हमें फिक्स्ड मिलना चाहिए, इसलिए वो फिक्स करने के बाद एक पॉइंट रिमूव कर रहे हैं हम, इसलिए वो n-1 फैक्टोरियल आ रहा है बस, राइट? दैट इज़ द ओनली डिफरेंस एंड एवरीथिंग इज सेम एज बिफोर वी डन. नेवर टुगेदर आना चाहिए, राइट? सो क्या करेंगे हम, वो 2 डेलीगेट्स जो भी है ना ये भी उसको हम निकाल देंगे पहले, राइट? सो कितने हैं? आफ्टर removing two specified delegates, we have 24 minus 2, 22 delegates, right? So this arrangement can be done circularly in how many ways? 22 minus 1 factorial ways, that is 21 factorial ways, right? एंड ये 2% जो भी हमने निकाल दिया है वो साथ में नहीं होना चाहिए। तो क्या होना चाहिए हमें अभी? 22 delegates are there for which 2 persons should not be together, right? Therefore it is a circular arrangement, right? Therefore you will get how many gaps in between? Suppose I am taking here 1, 2, 3. For example, 1, 2, 3, right? So हमने क्या किया है? 22 persons को अरेंज किया है। तो how many gaps you are getting? Observe carefully. Suppose I am arranging 1, 2, 3. So how many gaps I am getting? This is one position. This is one position. This is one position. Right? Why? Because it is a circular permutation, means you will get only one end point. If it is linear, then starting point and ending point दोनों होता है. Now got it? Therefore, how many gaps are there now? Right? Between 22 persons, 22 gaps only. Yes? Now, we have 22 places to place the 2 remaining delegates, right? Now 22 places 2 persons are there, therefore this can be done in how many ways? 22p2 ways, correct? Therefore total number of ways is equal to, फर्स्ट 22 persons को हमने सर्कुलर में बिठा दिया है, that is 21 factorial, and particularly these 2 persons को हमने अरेंज किया है in 22p2 ways, right? As it is a lengthy calculation, leave here only. This is the solution. Now what is the question number 4? Find the number of ways for 15 people to sit around the table so that no 2 arrangements have the same neighbors. बहुत केयरफुली पढ़ना है क्वेश्चन को हमें. So what is the punch here? No 2 arrangements have the same neighbors, right? So there are how many people? 15 people to sit around a table. In how many ways? 15 minus 1 factorial, that is 14 factorial ways, right? Here the punchline is no 2 arrangements have the same neighbors. ये होना चाहिए. So इसका मतलब, see here, if you are arranging like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like this, 15 are there. 1 से लेकर 15 तक है, right? Now observe carefully. If I am taking this person, so इनका neighbor ये हुआ है, right? और ये लिया तो इनका neighbor भी यही हो रहा है, right? Now if you take this one, so he is the neighbor of this person and as well as this person also, right? ये नहीं होना चाहिए. इसका मतलब आपको एनी वन डायरेक्शन चूज करना है, पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then only you will not get the two neighbors for the same person. समझ में आया? Yes. If you are going to like this, so you are taking here, so he is the neighbor. If you are taking this person, he is the neighbor. If you are taking this person, he is the neighbor. Therefore, in one direction, then what is the formula? Very good. N minus 1 factorial upon 2. एक बार कॉन्सेप्ट की तरफ देखो. Therefore, number of arrangements possible for not to having same neighbors is equal to n minus 1 factorial upon 2, that is 14 factorial by 2. समझा? Very good. What is the question number 5? A committee of 10 members sits around a table. Okay. Can be done in 10 minus 1, 9 factorial, right? Find the number of arrangements that have the president and the vice president together. Again, the same case. We have to make president and vice president as one unit. Together, they can be arranged in 2 factorial ways. And total now how many are there? Yes. Right. Committee has 10 members, right? But arrangement should be like this. President and vice president have together हमेशा. कैसे भी अरेंज करो, प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हमेशा साथ में बैठना है, राइट? अगर किसी मीन्स प्रेसिडेंट को कुछ याद नहीं आया है तो वाइस प्रेसिडेंट याद दिलाते हैं. दैट इज़ द सीक्रेट. ठीक है? या सो प्रेसिडेंट एंड वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को हम एक यूनिट बनाएंगे. टोटल 10 में 2 पर्सन्स आ गया है. देन रिमेनिंग कितने हैं? 8 आर देयर. दैट इज 10 माइनस 2, 8 पर्सन्स. ठीक है, राइट? एंड दिस इज 1 यूनिट एंड द रिमेनिंग आर 8. So 1 plus 8, 9 persons are there now. So circular arrangement can be done in how many ways? Therefore, 1 unit and 8 members. Of the committee arranged in a circle in how many ways? 9 minus 1 factorial into 2 factorial. The 2 factorial is for president and vice president, which is equal to 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So this is your answer for question number 5.